What's going on, guys? Chandler from EzStocks here. Come back at you with another video. We're going over our top 3 plays of the week for stocks. Without further ado, here we go into play number 1. Alright guys, so opening things up here with our first stock, MU or Micron Technologies. Again, we had this stock on a couple of weeks ago. This is one of those stocks that likes to just trade up and down in kind of a wave format. It's been trending upward as of lately, but again, it's still following that wave format. We're in the 3-month view right now. Again, ticker symbol MU. If we come down to that 1-month view, again, our trend line ended around here when we originally had it, and it spiked up to that $54 mark, and it started to trend back down. And now it's going to be bouncing off that support line again, around that $49.50, somewhere in that range. That's where it's going to be making its bottom. So if it does cross this bottom and starts to drop, you can expect it to fall pretty far here, but I don't think that will be the case. I feel like it's going to bounce off that support line again and rise up towards resistance around that $50, $51, somewhere in that range. So if you're looking to make a pretty good swing play, again, look into MU, and that is going to be our first play for today. Alright guys, moving on to stock number 2, we got PTON as the ticker symbol, also known as Peloton. So this Peloton, again, is one of those like workout companies. I guess so, like they make like the bikes, you know, that you spin cycle on. They also have a little bit of fitness apps and all that good stuff. But we don't really care about what they do. We only care about making money here. So Peloton has earnings coming up here pretty soon. And as you can see, it's been having a high around that 69.72. If we zoom out a little bit, you've noticed a pretty strong extended growth here, going from $17 all the way down that low. Again, here's the 1-year chart. So again, 17, this is right around that Corona March, and it's been on the rise ever since. Gyms being closed has helped out Peloton a bunch, and now that everybody has it, that subscription fee comes in every little bit a month. So anyways, the play here, it's coming up towards that high. They've noticed a little bit of resistance around that $70 mark. I'll go ahead and call it at $70. So if you know that Peloton, or if you see that Peloton rises above that $70 mark, you know it's going to break out of that resistance, and it's probably going to spike up there. It is getting pretty high on that RSI, so do be on the lookout for that to make a couple dips here if you're looking to get in. But other than that, it's been on a real strong uptrend here for the past couple months. So continue to look for that. If they have a good earnings report, you can see a pretty good long-term growth, I guess medium-term growth as well. Alright guys, our last stock of the day, we're going to be talking about ticker symbol NKLA, or Nikola Corporation. If you guys know this as that electric car startup company that hasn't sold a single car, has pre-orders that you don't have to put any money down on, and that's why this stock is going to make our number 3 as our best play of the week. As this stock continues to not sell any cars, I don't see this stock going anywhere but down. So if you're able to buy any put contracts on this, as you see, it had its peak. This is a prime example of a hype stock. A bunch of people pumping it on YouTube and TikTok, pumped it all the way up to $93.99. And if you shrink it down this last month here, it has been crashing and crashing and crashing, tanking, lowering almost more than half its price in this last month. It's gone down 50%. So I still see this trend to continue to happen. If you are more of an indicator trader, pay attention to that RSI. Every single time that this RSI has dipped below that 30, it's bounced up a little bit here. So just pay attention to that. There will be a couple bounces, but in the long term, if you're holding this contract 2, 3, 4 weeks, I don't see any way that this isn't gonna make you any money. So this is gonna be our final play of the day, making that downwards trend. Again, if you have Nikola stock, I'd be selling it, because there's no way that stock is going to be going up unless they just say they got a $5 billion loan from the US government or something like that. There's no way this stock's just going to continue to tank. So get on that tank train. Bear gang hype, let's go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video today. If you enjoyed, please leave that thumbs up below. It helps me out so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching to the very end. Peace.